Hello everyone, it's me, PowerCat. So today I'm going to take apart this air conditioner and we're going to fix it. So the problem is that there's a scraping when the fan turns on. The fan scrapes and it takes a while to start up. So we have to tear this down, get to the fan motor. Have to check if that's still turning and then adjust the blade so it doesn't scratch against it. So let's begin. And here it is. That took a little while, but I got the fan to stop grinding. The fan's not grinding anymore. So for the place that I'm giving it to, whether or not I repaint this, it depends on what they want. I'm just gonna take a picture of this and send it to them actually. So this is PowerCat. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.